Now, this mobile inventory races against ripeness and the clock.
20 more miles, we'll beat the night shift cutoff.
Beyond the glass, each passing mile steals a fraction of field freshness.
Across this shifting landscape, raw nature yields to human industry.
Unit 7, you're clear for Gate 3. Repeat, Gate 3.
At this stage, coordination ensures the line never starves.
Here, colossal scale meets the precision of countless moving parts.
Net weight confirmed. Field 6, 14.2 tons. Proceed.
4 inches left. Stop! Drop the plate!
Within seconds, this mobile harvest becomes factory floor inventory. Outside, this fortress of steel guards a century-old recipe's soul.
Delivery 7, tomato load. Signing in for the night shift.
Target's up 5%. We'll need every bin.
Inside this nerve center, digital numbers whisper production's daily ambitions.
Hand wash, minimum 30 seconds. Still holds true.
Beneath these certified seals, protocol guards every human contact.
She's sealed tight, ready for the heat.
Now, controlled chaos waits beyond this thermal seal.
Across this steel landscape, raw fruit meets its first industrial breath.
Flow's good. Send it to the flumes.
Under controlled conditions, the wash decides the line's entire purity.
Floaties to the skimmer. Sinkers keep moving.
Pressure holding at 40 psi. Turbidity acceptable.
Here, pressure and temperature conspire to strip the field's last residue.
Keep your eyes moving. The green ones hide between red.
6% field loss, acceptable for early season.
Beneath these bruised rejects, a hidden story of weather and soil unfolds.
Sample batch 7, line 3. Off to the lab for bricks.
These 5 specimens now carry the line's entire quality verdict.
Within seconds, compressed air carries the line's fate to the lab.
Clean metal means clean tomatoes. Every shift.
Upward now, these cleansed fruits approach their first thermal trial.
Hopper full. Start the mills.
Now, these red globes surrender to the mill's relentless rotation.
RPM at 800. Consistent feed.
Inside this chamber, brute force reduces fruit to primal pulp. Starting bricks 5.2, within spec for early run.
Beneath that shining prism, sugar content now declares its initial truth.
Preheat at 90 degrees Celsius. 58 seconds hold time.
Under controlled heat, every cell wall begins its careful surrender.
Units 1 through 4 at full vacuum. 5 and 6 cycling up.
Density at 32 degrees bricks. Target is 36. 2 more passes needed.
Here, density alone tells the story of water's slow retreat.
Flash cooling to 20 degrees. Viscosity stabilizing.
In this rapid chill, viscosity locks in the morning's harvest essence.
Level at 60%. Holding for the blend recipe.
Inside this buffer, the concentrate waits for the alchemy of recipe.
Vinegar batch 3 ready. Sugar line 4 is prepped.
At this moment, sugar, vinegar, and spice await their precise command. Recipe locked. Dispensing ingredients now.
Flow rate at 20 liters per minute. Steady.
Beneath its sharp bite, acidity activates every later spice and sugar.
Dissolution at 97%. 2 more minutes. Here, sweetness dissolves into the concentrate. Unseen but essential.
Batch 57 blend. Injected. Seal the canister.
Beyond the glass, this secret signature defines every bottle's legacy.
Emulsion stable. Particle size within micron spec.
At this microscopic level, oil and water finally make peace.
Viscosity at 6,500 centipoise.
Target is 1/6 starch slurry.
Starch in. Give it 90 seconds to bloom.
Under controlled addition, texture achieves its final, glossy form.
Color match.
Viscosity match, pH 5.1, batch approved.
Depol at 400 bottles per minute, pallet 7 complete.
Inside this robotic ballet, each bottle's journey begins with a vacuum's kiss.
Rinse temp at 80 degrees. No spots visible. Line pressure at 40 psi. Fill volume holding at 340 grams.
Now 400 bottles per minute receive their crimson portion.
Torque at 12 inch-pounds with inspect.
Beneath each crimped seal, a precise torque guarantees freshness.
Label misalignment. Ejecting. Good catch our system.
At this speed, machine vision catches what human eyes would miss.
Registration within 0.5 millimeter. Sleeve shrink at 90%.
This sticky application now carries the brand's entire visual weight.
Reject at 338 grams. Target 340. Logged.
Buffer's full. Feeder line to the packer is ready.
Within this holding pattern, the line breathes before its final sprint.
Glue pattern continuous. Case integrity confirmed.
Under that ultraviolet gaze, adhesive bonds become shipment guarantees.
Pack pattern verified. 24 cases per minute.
In this choreographed descent, glass finds its cardboard home.
Case weight within tolerance. Release for taping.
This final measured number confirms every bottle's promised portion.
Code clear. Expiry 6 months from today. Legible.
Inked here, the product's entire traceable identity is born.
Batch match confirmed. Send to palletizer.
This digital handshake now aligns every box with its global destination.
Layer pattern 3. Interleaf inserted. Pallet at 80% capacity.
4 wraps top, 4 bottom. Load stable.
This transparent membrane now locks every case into a single shippable unit.
Pallet 47 complete, ready for storage. Good shift, everyone.
Batch 104 samples arriving. Let's start the panel.
Inside this sterile chamber, every batch faces its final, unforgiving tribunal.
At this acidic threshold, microbial survival becomes mathematically impossible.
pH 5.12. Second meter confirms. Within spec.
Brix 36.2. Target 36.0.
Acceptable.
Viscosity curve matches standard within 2%. Approved.
Plating for total plate count. Incubation for 48 hours.
Now, hidden microbes will reveal themselves in silent Petri dish patients.
Sodium 400 milligrams. Label matches. Font size compliant.
Behind every printed number, legal and scientific certainty converges.
Retention sample filed. Shelf B3, slot 12. Logged. Batch 1047 released. Move pallets to dispatch.
Batch released. Time to stack it deep.
Pallet 47, Bay C4. Location confirmed.
Here, barcode and gravity conspire to keep every pallet traceable.
Pallet 47 inbound to dispatch. Clear the lane.
Now, this quiet aisle surrenders its inventory to the road ahead.
Pallet inspection complete. Ready for loading.
Across this vast grid, order and motion become the language of logistics.
2 inches left. Good. Strap it down.
And that's exactly how tomato ketchup is made. From raw material to your hands.